This van belongs to Bobzilla. I'll pin his Instagram in the comment section. There's his dog, Nash. I like visiting Slab City at least once a year. You always have to stop here first. Introducing my buddy here in the Jeep to Slab City. Like I said, I like going here at least once a year. So we saw Salvation Mountain. Now I'm going to show him Slab City. Having a van meet. November. I want to come out here again. Let's do it. Let's do the camp out here. And as always, you don't need a lifted van to join us. See? John hangs out with everyone, just not lifted vans. When I visit this place, I follow the rules. Don't bother people. So I always checked out Mojo's camp from out there, and then she saw me and my friend and invited us to check out the tower here. So I never got to get a view like this of Slab City. Cool person. Very nice of her. So there we go. We're on the top of Slab City. Right now, there's the view. This is how Slab City works. You pick a spot and you say, I live here now. Let's do a meet in November. Sleep out here. Who's game? A view of Slab City from the Mojo's Camp Tower. So me and my buddy were talking and filming there, and she saw us and invited us to check out her camp. And she told us feel free to get a shot from the tower. So there it is. High view of Slab City. Never got to see Slab City like this.
I'm hopping, backpacking. But then my body said, no, you're not. You can't carry a bag. Your back is shot, your legs are shot. Yeah. And
I want this to be the best lifted van channel on YouTube. I don't just feature 92 to 2014 Econolines. Sometimes I'll feature an old body style. Spent the night in Anza Borrego. I was able to catch the sunrise. I always wake up at like 11, 12. It's a record for me waking up. Looks like a Porsche meet. get some romance in Slab City.